Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically place your house into like the gallery. Let me just press play. So to place your house into like your into the gallery, obviously customize it so it doesn't look plain like this, but this is just an example. So go to the build mode section. And then you are going to just select this one, save to my library, and then a save lot. You can rename the house as well. And then you're going to select save lot to my library. If you want to save it or like share it to people, select share lot to the gallery and they'll be able to, I guess, save your house. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.